Hi students, are you fine? Okay, I am Preeti, your biology teacher for this academic year. You have been online classes for a week. Are you get it? Yes. Today we are start from the science. Meaning of science, branches of science. Okay, who is the father of science? Galileo Galilei. Galileo Galilei is the father of science. What is science? Science is knowledge. It is a systematic study of natural phenomena based on the experiment, measurement and observation. Okay, the branches of science. The science is classified into mainly three groups: physics, chemistry and biology. What do you mean by physics? Okay, physics is the branch of science which deals with the study of light, matters, energy and their natural relationship between them. Okay, next one is the chemistry. Chemistry is the branch of science which deals with the study of matters and properties of matters. Yes, last one is our subject biology. Biology is the branch of science which deals with the study of natural living things. Okay, yes. Okay, we are going to our first chapter. The name of our first chapter is, please have a look, A Life Mysterious in Little Chambers. Life mysterious in the life mysterious in little chambers. Okay, okay. Today all are discussed is the COVID-19 and Corona. Are you heard it? Yes. Corona is a viral disease, came from the SARS family, is the name as a corona. Yes, it is contaminated through a air and it contaminated a virus, a small organism, a microorganism. Can you see the microorganism or this virus with our naked eyes? No. Why? We can see this microorganism or virus with the help of microscope. Okay, with the help of microscope. Yes, our first topic in our chapter is the microscope. Yes, the microscope is the instrument that helps to enlarge or increasing the image of object or the object size. Okay, who invented the microscope? Yes, Annabel Leeuwenhoek, the famous scientist, invented our microscope. Okay, the invention of the microscope brought about a drastic changes in the medicinal field. Okay, medical field. Drastic changes in the medical field. Okay, in our school laboratory, we can use two type of microscopes. First one is the compound microscope. Next one is the hand lens. Okay. Students, please listen. This is type of hand lens. Hand lens is this is type of hand lens uses in the gemologists in the jewelry. Okay, this type of, please listen. Okay, in hand lens is a mere convex lens that uses in the laboratory to see the pollen grains like substances. Next one, compound microscope. Students, please listen. Can you see the compound microscope? Yes. We will start to explain the parts of our microscope. Okay. The lower part of the microscope is known as foot of microscope. Yes. This part of microscope is known as arm of microscope. Yes. First piece. This is the eyepiece lens of microscope. Okay. This is the eyepiece lens of microscope. The viewers view the object in large size through this microscope. Okay. Viewers view the object in large size through this lens. Okay, it is detachable and it can movable. It is detachable and it can movable. It is attached on the body part of the body tube or body part of the microscope. It is attachable to body part of the microscope. Okay. Next, these eyepiece can help to increase the image of or increase the size of object. Okay. That helps the magnifying lenses, that help us to magnifying lenses. The magnification of this lens is 10x. Magnification of this lens is 10x. Okay? Yes. Next part is the knob part of the microscope. We can see the two wheel-like structure on the microscope. We can see the two wheel-like structure of this on the microscope. Okay. This wheel-like structure on the microscope is known as the knob of the microscope. Knob of microscope. This large wheel-like structure, the large knob is known as the coarse adjustment. Large knob is known as the coarse adjustment and the small knob is known as the fine adjustment. Large knob is known as the coarse adjustment and a small knob is known as the fine adjustment. This knob is help to adjust the up and down movement. The coarse adjustment, the movement is very speedily. The fine adjustment movement is very slowly. Okay, it helps to movement of the body tube. It helps to adjust the movement of body tube up and down, and it also helps the focal length of object and it maintains the focal length of object and objective lens. It adjusts the focal length of objectives and the object. Okay. Next one is the objective lens. We can see the two objective lenses in our microscope. Okay. Mainly two objective lenses present in the microscope. First one is the low power objective, second one is the high power objective, third one is the oil emission. Here only two objectives are seen in our microscope. Okay. These objective lenses are fitted on the rotatable. It is movable. Objective lenses are movable too. Okay. Can you see? These are fitted on the movable nose piece. This part of the microscope is known as nose piece. This, can you see? It is movable with this right position. Okay. With the help of movable nose piece, object stands in the right position. Okay. Okay. Students, can you see the black color platform on the microscope? Yes. This black color platform on this microscope is known as the stage of the microscope. The viewing objects are placed on the stage of this microscope with the help of a slide. The viewing objects are placed on this transparent slide. Viewing objects are placed on this transparent slide and put the stage and fitted with the help of clip. Two clips are present on the stage. It helps to fit the viewing object slide to right position. Okay. Yes. Next part is the condenser part. The lowermost part is the condenser part. This condenser part helps to control the light to the condenser. Here we can see the condenser. Here this is condenser. We can see a bar-like structure. Can you see? It's small bar-like structure that helps to open and close the shutter of the condenser. That help to opening and closing of shutter of condenser. Condenser like this condenser help to control the intensity of light to the object. Intensity of light to the object, to objective lens, to eyepiece and our eyes. Okay. Yes, this bar-like structure of condenser is help to us closing and opening of the condenser shutter. Okay. Next and last part is known as mirror of the compound lens. Mirror of the microscope. This mirror is plano-concave mirror. This mirror is plano-concave mirror. One side of the mirror is plane and the other side is a concave part. We use in the time of objectives like high power and low power objectives, we use the concave mirror. Okay. The concave mirror that helps to acquire light for this object viewing. Okay. Acquire light for this object, allowed to acquire light for this object viewing. Okay. Okay. Students, all of you got it? Yes. Yes. Today we are studied about the microscope, the structure of microscope. Okay. Today we are studied about the structure of microscope. All of you got it? Yes. Okay. I give a assignment for you. You should draw a picture of microscope and label the parts and write and explain the parts and its working. Okay. Yes. Okay. Students, all of you got it? Yes. Okay, students, today wind up our class and take care. See you.